Friends, 250 years ago, America's founding fathers proclaimed a bold vision of liberty, self-government, and human dignity. The story of America is one of hope and optimism. It is based upon the abiding belief that we can shape a better tomorrow if we work hard and persevere today. And today, under the bold and visionary leadership of President Donald Trump, the United States continues to inspire confidence and dynamism while advancing peace, progress, and prosperity. And in his unique style, President Trump has brought energy and resolve to the pursuit of American interest and international engagement. While we celebrate 2.5 centuries of the United States, let us also celebrate the long-standing partnership between Pakistan and the United States. Ours is a true and special relationship spanning over nearly 8 decades and encompassing cooperation not only in security and counterterrorism, but equally so in trade, investment, agriculture, science, education, health, energy, and people-to-people exchanges. The United States was among the first nations to recognize Pakistan upon our independence when President Harry Truman wrote a congratulatory letter to Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah welcoming Pakistan into the community of nations. And we fondly remember American support in advancing our Green Revolution through UC Davis in the construction of the Tarbela Dam, in building centers of excellence like LUMS at Lahore, and in financing critical infrastructure around the country that continue to serve the Pakistani people to this day. Thousands of Pakistani graduates of American universities, along with scientists, teachers, and researchers trained in the United States, continue to make valuable contribution to Pakistan's economy, academia, public service, and entrepreneurship. Thank you very much for all the support to our great Pakistanis. And also, some of the most enduring bridges between our two nations are the nearly 1 million Pakistani Americans who call the United States their second home. The United States corporate sector footprint in Pakistan is also fairly extensive, with around 80 top US companies invested in our country. One of the world's largest freelance workforces, Pakistan is really poised to expand its IT exports and the most important destination for us in the United States. Dear friends, the United States is home to some of the finest and outstanding hospitals in the world, where doctors and medical experts from across the globe, including many outstanding Pakistanis, work together to save lives and restore hope. Ladies and gentlemen, our two countries have worked closely at the most consequential moments of our history, whether it be the Soviet invasion of Afghanistan in the 1980s or the global war order from 2001 to 2021. Last year, following India's unprovoked aggression after the Pahalgam incident, it was President Trump's timely and most decisive intervention that resulted in a ceasefire between Pakistan and India on 10th May last year. We shall forever remain grateful to President Trump for restoring peace in South Asia and saving millions of people. In this context, he will always be remembered as a man of peace. Ladies and gentlemen, today Pakistan is proudly but humbly, playing a sincere role as mediator between the United States and Iran. We are grateful for the trust reposed in Pakistan by both these countries. Here, I would like to especially acknowledge and appreciate the untiring efforts of Field Marshal Sayyid Asim Munir in advancing Pakistan's sincere efforts for regional peace and stability. As I speak, these efforts continue with the support of Iran and the United States, and let's hope and pray to Allah Almighty that we achieve long-lasting peace as early as possible. Last week, Deputy Prime Minister Ishaq Dar and Secretary of State Marco Rubio had an excellent meeting in Washington where they discussed bilateral as well as regional cooperation. Ladies and gentlemen, in conclusion, as we celebrate 2.5 centuries of America's remarkable history, culture, and innovation, I once again extend our heartfelt congratulations to President Trump, the people of the United States, and you and your colleagues on this wonderful evening. Ladies and gentlemen, this speech will be incomplete if I did not say this. Let me say, Shahid Rayafir, Natalie Baker, you have been an excellent representative of the United States in Pakistan. Through your energetic, passionate, and sincere engagement, and this is not lip service, these words are coming from the core of my heart, and active diplomacy, you have helped bring our two countries even closer together. I also wish to commend the dedicated team at the US Embassy and its consulates across Pakistan, whose tireless efforts continue to strengthen and deepen the enduring partnership between Pakistan and the United States, which is already achieving new heights. May the friendship between our two great nations continue to flourish in the years ahead, and may the stars that shine on the flags of our two nations continue to illuminate a future of peace, progress, and shared prosperity for our peoples. Thank you. Long live Pakistan-United States friendship.
वज़ीर-ए-आज़म शहबाज शरीफ अमरीकी सफ़ारत खाना में अमरीकी आज़ादी की 250वीं सालगिरह की तकरीब से मुखातिब थे। उनकी जानिब से ये कहा गया कि नेटली बेकर ने पाकिस्तान में अमरीका के एक बेहतरीन नुमाइंदे के तौर पर काम किया है। इससे पहले वो खिताब कर रही थी।